Hi, my name is Stephanie and I'm a morning cleanse coach. If you are looking to learn how to eat a healthy diet to heal your body and you need help, then I am here to help you do just exactly that. In this video, I'm going to show you what I eat in a day. This video is focused on eating fresh fruits in the evening and doing juices and smoothies in the morning. Sometimes I will eat salads in the evening or cooked foods, but this gives you a general idea if you just want to eat fresh fruit and juices and smoothies. If you're new to the morning cleanse, make sure you check out my free video course at mymorningcleanse.com/free. I will put the link in the description box. And if you need any additional help, know that I offer private coaching. And to get the cheapest coaching from me, make sure you join my membership. You can simply go to mymorningcleanse.com/join. I will also put the link in the description box. If you've been watching me for a while, you know every morning I start the morning with lemon water. I start it with 32 ounces because it hydrates the body and flushes out toxins. Next, I'll move to my celery juice. Celery juice is so important because it helps flush out the old troublemaker foods that you were eating, flush them out of your system faster. It also helps with killing off the bugs such as viruses and bacteria. I start the morning with about 32 ounces of celery juice, but if you're new at celery juicing, I would start out at 4 ounces and work your way up. This is my cat, Coco. And this is my kitty cat, Leo. They are both so sweet, except for Leo walks around the house and meows all day, drives me crazy. But I'll sit down in the living room, here's my cute little computer, and I'll drink my celery juice in the morning. After that, I'll move to a celery apple juice. This is a pretty big portion. I would suggest starting out with half the amount with 1 cucumber and 2 apples. But cucumbers are really hydrating. That's why I like to drink this juice. And really, I drink this juice because it's another juice in the morning to drink. I will drink this before I do my heavy metal detox smoothie. That way, basically, I'm filling my morning with fresh, squeezed juices, hydrating my body, giving it tons of nutrition. And this also allows my body to get a break from basically breaking down the food. Next, I will move to my orange juice. I like to make fresh orange juice out of fresh squeezed oranges. What you see here is I put warm water in the container because when I'm peeling them, they make my hands really cold. So this way, my hands don't get so cold when I peel them. I'll do about 6 oranges, juice the oranges, and this is the juice that I'm actually going to be putting in my heavy metal detox smoothie, which comes next. But I really enjoy orange juice, so I'll actually drink a little bit of it, and then I'll save the rest for my smoothie. After I do my juice, I'm going to be cutting up this pineapple today. I don't like to waste the outer edges of the pineapple, so I'll cut them up and juice them. I actually have a video I'll put in the description below, and you can watch how I do it. But I'll juice the core and the outer edges, and you can see the juice, and I'll have the pineapple pieces that I will be putting in my smoothie later on or tomorrow. I will usually take this juice and put it in the refrigerator for later. I'll take these caps that I found on Amazon. That way it stays fresh. Put it in a glass jar, put it in the refrigerator, and this is usually what I will drink right before I go to bed. So here you can see I drank most of my orange juice, and I saved a little bit for the heavy metal detox smoothie. So I'll be adding that. I like to have tons of bananas available, and we will be putting 2 of those into the heavy metal smoothie. And then here you go. Here is the finished smoothie. When it's sunny outside, I love to go outside and drink my smoothie in the warm sun. Next, I'm going to eat this watermelon. This is actually a mini watermelon, but it was pretty big. I love it when it's really ripe inside and it makes it really yummy and sweet. When I cut up my watermelon, first I'll take off the rind, as you can see here, because I don't eat that. I'll cut up all the white pieces off around it, and then I'll cut it up into little pieces and eat it. I'll put all the rind pieces in a container, or I'll actually juice them right then. But basically I'll juice them for fresh juices later. And here's half of it that I'm not going to eat, and I flip it upside down and put it in the refrigerator for freshness later. Here's all the little pieces that I'm going to eat of the watermelon. I eat a large amount, big bowl of it. And then I didn't actually finish all my watermelon, but I wanted some more different items. So I got 2 plums and these really yummy tomatoes that I found at Whole Foods. They taste really close to garden fresh tomatoes. Now we're in the afternoon and I'm actually going to Bible study this evening. So I'm making this smoothie. This is the first time I've actually made this smoothie. It has strawberries in it, watermelon, and your lemons. When you're cutting up your lemons, make sure you take all the little seeds out of it. And then I will nicely put it in my smoothie. So strawberries, lemons, and watermelon at the bottom. I won't use a liquid because of the fresh produce. It blends pretty well. So you can see I'm blending it here. I have the Vitamix and I have the Stomper. And because of the fresh produce at the bottom, basically I don't need a liquid. I ended up really liking the smoothie. It was so yummy. I didn't really know how it was going to taste because I've never put lemon in a smoothie before, but it gave it a really good balance. So I would suggest trying it when you get your watermelon. But I put it in this container because I'm going to Bible study and I want to take it with me so I have something to drink and I don't get hungry later. Now I'm back from Bible study. I want a little snack before bed, so I'll get some more of these tomatoes, cut them up into little pieces so they're easy to eat. And then right before bed, I have my pineapple juice that I can finish. I love that it's so easy. I can just take it out of the refrigerator and drink it and not have to do anything else. And then I know that I'm not going to be hungry going to bed.